Senya and I had been buried in our laptops for the last month. We needed a break. We were getting itchy. We wanted to go see the beautiful country that Costa Rica had to offer. So we left. So in this case, we did what every self-serving tourist would do. Packed up our stuff, looked at absolutely nothing, climbed in the truck with a GPS that doesn't work. We took off. And we drove. And we drove. And we drove. And we drove. And we ended up, well, we ended up here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Was this a bonehead move? Yeah. Should we have done some research? Yeah. Should we have thought about our water before we left? Yeah. But we're here now, and that was it. And we were having fun, because we were out of the house. So not really knowing where we were going, getting a little scratchy and itchy, we decided to stop, shoot up the drone, and take a look around. This is kind of what we came up with. It was amazing, breathtaking, life-changing. I was up, I was flying, I was free. Meanwhile on the ground, still had no water. We were still lost, still had no idea where we were. Thought I better land the drone, go figure things out. So, clearly, you're watching this video. If you're watching this video, it means a couple of things. Number one, we didn't die. Number two, we found a road. After a series of weird conversations with men with machetes in various little towns, we eventually came out to this road. We didn't want to waste the day, so we decided we were going to head to Cortez Waterfall.
Which way did we go? This way or that way? Ooh. Squishy. Maybe I should have worn running shoes.
Yeah. Go to the waterfall, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Sure. So 2 broken shoes later, and we're having a good time. It's all good. I'll show you why. What? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I stepped on a cactus. We're having fun.
Oh yeah.
You fixed yours.
I did.
Okay, so our awesome guide is telling us that we're up at the top of the waterfall, and then we've got to walk across this thing over to there, hop down to there. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, here goes nothing. So I survived somehow, thanks to this fine gentleman. Now it's time for the Senya. The beautiful thing about having a girlfriend who actually has a brain is that, well, she can learn from your mistakes. In this particular case, Senya decided it probably wasn't an intelligent idea to follow my steps of walking barefoot across a 30-foot tree, across a river, with a bunch of equipment on. Luckily, we had our guide. The guy was super patient, super friendly, and he literally bent over backwards to help us make it down there.
can't watch. Love you.
Now, what's a jungle adventure without doing something epically stupid? Senya was a little nervous, but I couldn't resist. We're on our way down, we had no shoes, and I was jumping.
Oh my god, baby. Oh my god. You alright?
Right about at this point, I began reevaluating my decision. I was nursing a cracked rib from kickboxing, and I had just hurt my arm pretty badly in the fall. But you know what? I didn't have to walk down the edge of that cliff. As we finally approached the waterfall, after bruising not only my arm, my ribs, and of course my ego, I was astounded. The beauty in Costa Rica is something that I wake up to every single day. I've been here for about a month now, and every single day it astounds me. It's unlike any other country I've ever been to. A cross between Jurassic Park and the Jungle Book, right outside your door, every single damn day. I don't know about you guys, but Sen and I are from Canada. And in Canada, for half the year, the ground is frozen. And for another quarter of the year, it's raining. This was an absolute beautiful experience, and I would totally recommend going to check out Cortez Waterfall if you ever have the chance. Now, I don't know everything about Costa Rica. I've only been here for about a month myself. But I do know this. Every single time we've set out on a path to find something, we've totally screwed up. And largely due to our improper planning. But at the same time, every time we've gone to look for something, we found something better. And that's the beautiful thing about living and traveling in this country. Now, this is definitely not our last time traveling. One thing I really learned with this excursion is that every time you want to go somewhere, bring a damn map. I also learned that Costa Rica is beautiful, and the most incredible places are hidden in the middle of nowhere. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.